Hi, I'm Jonathan Wright, and this is a poem from my first book, After the Rain. It's called Woodpecker, Wind, and Raven. Cloud-bent light spills down the meadow, fills in below the willows and the linden stand. Morning calm clipped into heartbeat bits by more than one woodpecker breakfasting. The wind is not the wind, but this water's creak and tumble calling back. Conifer night sound, mistaken now for breathing. As for the raven, I brought it here myself in the softened hand of centuries, in the way of the Inuit, the Hopi, or the Tlingit, a clannish sense of being for a moment, always and everywhere at once.